Good morning, guys. My name is the Old Mechanic. Welcome back in my shed. My stove is burning, it's nicely warm in here, and I'm ready to go. And what are we gonna do today? Well, guys, today I have this wonderful Triumph, and it is a beauty. I love it. It's a 3-cylinder, 800 cc's. I love it. I love the looks of it, the way it's made. What are we gonna do today on this bike? Well, it's time to do another oil change, oil filter change, I would say. Come on over and we start. Guys, over here is the oil drain plug, and it's an Allen bit of 8. Now, let's start. Oh, hier moeten we zijn. Hop. Oh. Tju. Vol zin. Hop. Zo. Guys. Wow. Dropped this one. So clean it. Oh, wait a minute. Put it in like that. Yes, I got him. Okay. Oh. Guys, I just realized that I always wiggle the bike from left to right all the way to get all the old oil out, as it's in oil pockets in the engine. But I need to get the bottom protection, the engine protection off. So let's do that. Now, to take it off, we got 12. So now you need a socket of 12. I'm gonna screw the drain plug back in for a moment, otherwise this will be covered in oil, and that's easy. Yes, there he goes. Okay, then give it a quick so there is let's see, over here got slippery hands of the oil. Yes, it's a nut, and let's see, over there is other nut. Okay. Really like the bike. It's a beauty to do maintenance on. Everything easy access. Here. Slippery hands. Yes. Hop. Then over here is another one. Yes. A nut. And over here is also a nut. Yes. No, not yet. Come. Yes. A nut. Up. Now this one and this one. Oh, that was already away. No. Then I think there it comes. Up. Now we take this one off. Easy. So that's better. Okay, now guys, let's move on. Should have done this before, but yeah, I'm only human. I'm only human. So there he comes. Whoopah. So, so. Then the oil filter. This one. Yep. We're gonna take the oil filter away. Away. There he comes. Okay. Back. Guys, what I always like to do when doing an oil change is wiggle the bike from this to that side. To this side is actually easy. Just hang on the frame carefully. See? Oh. I need a bit to this side, then again. Okay. It needs to be like this. Yes. bit scheef, but high enough to put it down. So I'm gonna lean the bike over first to this side. Let's see. See? Even go a bit further, up, like this. Have fun. As I said, a lot of oil stays in those pockets everywhere in the engine, and you know me, I like to take all the old oil out, everything. That's why I do it like this. Engine is warm. Yeah, nicely warm. See? Comes out all the way. You go, brother. So. Hey, I have friends. So now, guys, I'm gonna put it straight up. Then lean it to the other side, like, oops, like this. And again to this side. Hop. How much? Hoppa, there he goes again. Put it straight up again. Up. And to the other side. Hier al langer op. And again to this side. See? Oh. Okay. Op. It's unbelievable how much oil I get out. We let it drip for a while. See you later. Hoppa. Hey, come on. So, then so glad with my winch. Hoppa, come on. Oh. Yes.